Hello everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY UPDATE YouTube channel here. With me, Roberto Malico Ignacio speaking here, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. And today we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Airbus A330-300 that flew to Beijing and the other one returning to Hong Kong from Beijing. So this aircraft is registered as Bangladesh Hotel Yima uniform. She was formerly special because she formerly wore the Oneworld livery from 2009 until 2023 in the month of June. So this aircraft took her flight number 63820. She had a great circular distance of 1,987 kilometers with an actual flight time 2 hours and 44 minutes. And then she landed at the northern runway at exactly 1:37 a.m. local time. 4:21 a.m. Actually, she took off at Beijing 1:37. She had a ground speed 1 knots and a chop 112 degrees, as you can see it here. So let's proceed to the next aircraft, which is this. So this is another Airbus A330-300. So she's registered Bangladesh Hotel Whiskey Mike. She took her flight number 63821 here. Same great circle distance, 1,987 kilometers. Actual flight time 3 hours and 14 minutes. Ground speed 7 knots and a track of 104 degrees. This aircraft took off at Beijing capital at exactly 3:35 a.m. local time. And then she landed at Wait, hold on. At the middle runway at exactly 6:49 a.m. local time in Hong Kong. So, for the details of Bangladesh Hotel Whiskey Mike and Bravo Hotel Lima uniform, kindly check the previous video about the said aircrafts. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Manico Ignacio, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.